The Mahadev betting app is a high-profile scandal involving an online betting platform that enables illegal gambling on various games, including poker card games, badminton, tennis, football, and cricket. The app was operated by Dubai-based Saurabh Chandrakar, a former juice seller, and his accomplice Ravi Uppal, both of whom hail from Chhattisgarh, according to the ED. The ED has alleged that the app operated by franchising panel branches to known associates on a 70 to 30 profit ratio, using the platform to enroll new users, create IDs, and launder money through a complex network of Benami bank accounts. The operation reportedly generated an extorting rupees 200 crores daily. The Mahadev betting app case gained renewed attention when the ED alleged that Chhattisgarh Chief Prime Minister Bhupesh Bagal received rupees 508 crores in the kickbacks from the app promoters based in the UAE. A cash courier, Asim Das, who claimed to be associated with the app promoters, alleged this payment triggering a political row ahead of the state assembly polls. Chief Minister Bhupesh Bagal has denied this allegation, characterizing them as an attempt to tarnish his image. On October 21, the ED filed its first charge sheet in this case, naming 14 accused. Including Saurabh Chandrakar and Ravi Uppal, the probe agency has provisionally attached rupees 41 crore worth of proceeds of crime. Ravi Uppal, key figure amongst the primary promoters, has been apprehended by Dubai police following a red corner notice issued by Interpol at the behest of ED. Additionally, the ED revealed that the use of over 333 bank accounts in this racket, with around 1,035 bank accounts frozen, the total amount deposited in this account is estimated to be around 15.50 crore. A FIR has been registered against the app operators in other states such as Andhra Pradesh. However, the Mahadev betting app network extends beyond India to the UAE, Sri Lanka, Nepal, and Pakistan. The ED has frozen and seized the asset worth rupees 4,017 crore in a connection with the case and conducted searches across 39 locations in Raipur, Bhopal, and Kolkata. Bollywood stars Ranbir Kapoor, Kapil Sharma, Huma Qureshi, Hina Khan, and Shraddha Kapoor were all asked to appear before the ED in a connection to Mahadev betting app case. While Ranbir Kapoor had accused of receiving payments for promotional activities for the app, the other stars were only asked to make statements. The ED as saying that as many as 16 Bollywood celebrities were all under investigation for attending or performing at Chandrakar's wedding in February and the company's success party in September 2022.